Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up job alerts on LinkedIn so you never miss opportunities that match your interests. Let me start by showing you where to find the Jobs section. You'll see a briefcase icon in the top menu of your homepage. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Jobs area, you'll want to access your personal job dashboard by selecting My Jobs from the menu. From here, click on Search for Jobs to start building your custom job alert. In the search bar, type in whatever matters most to you. This could be a specific job title, particular skills you want to use, or even companies you're interested in. Here's where the magic happens. At the top of your search results, you'll find a job alert toggle. Switch this on, and LinkedIn will start notifying you when new matching positions are posted. Perfect! You'll see a confirmation message pop up letting you know your job alert is now active and ready to keep you informed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up a job alert that will help you stay on top of new opportunities.